I'm sure every nurse would agree with this because I believe that all nurses were taught this. However, the nursing unions and the nursing association seem to have forgotten this fundamental thing we've all been taught. And that is that we were all taught, no matter what area of medicine you work as a nurse, that you want to help your patients be as independent as possible, correct? Yes, I think we were all taught that. If they can do it for themselves, then they should. Because that's the most healthiest and best place for them to go, is in the direction of being independent. So then people should be asking the National Nurses United, American Nurses Association, all of the associations in nursing, why would you support open borders? Why would you support universal health care? Why would you support a one-payer healthcare system, which is the same as universal health care? They just changed the wording. Why would they support the things that would make patients and society be dependent on others when it goes against, violates the very standards that we adhere to, which one of those being is to help patients be as independent as possible. Yet they want to make all of society, patients and otherwise, or patients in general with universal health care, be dependent on some government to take care of you. Why would they do that? Somebody should ask them that, because it violates the very things that we were taught. And why were we taught that it's best to help patients be as independent as possible? Well, I would say, at least from the mental health perspective, because it will bring them satisfaction that they don't have to depend on others. When you make people dependent on others, what do you think that does to their self-esteem? So I'd like National Nurses United, Bonnie Costello, Deborah Berger, all those people that head up that joint, and American Nurses Association. If you guys are really nurses, why don't you answer that very simple question? Why do you support things that violate the very profession that we stand on, which is to help people be as independent as possible? We don't encourage people to be dependent. So why are you pushing legislation that will force people to be dependent on others?